In this video, I show you how to download Java on Mac. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it and it helps get this video to more people. So as you can see, I'm on the Mac and I want to go and show you how to go and get Java because it's really useful and some programs require you to have Java for them to properly work, as well as some web browsers as well. So of course, the first thing you want to do is simply go and open up a web browser. So if you're using sort of the default Safari, that's going to be fine. Personally, I'm using Google Chrome, but most web browsers should be able to do this basically. So let's go and open up Chrome, and then you want to come to a search engine. So in this case, I'm personally using Google, and now let's go and type in Java. So all you want to do is type in Java, but do keep watching. I'm showing you the full install and the official website. So here's Java, and then you want to look for Java Oracle, and it should be java.com. So click there, and then it's going to take you to the Java website, and here you go. So all you want to do is locate the top menu where it says download, and click there, and then it's going to take you to the download page. And as you can see here, it's going to detect that we're on a Mac, and it's going to give us the choice to download Java for Mac OS X, and it's gone and given us the most up-to-date version. So you may need to come and update it as well if it doesn't automatically update. But then you want to simply scroll down to where it says agree and start free download, so click there. And then it's going to go and drop the download down here, and it is 83 megabytes as you can see. So this download is going to depend on how fast your internet connection is, but it's not pretty fast. As you can see, it's pretty much done. So now we've got this DMG file, so we want to click on it once, and then we might get a pop-up as you can see saying opening. I'm going to close off Chrome, and then it's going to run through this, and I'll be showing you the next steps. So then once you get to this point here, all you need to do is go and double click on it on this sort of box package, and it's going to go and start jumping up in your toolbar, and then we'll wait, and then it's going to go and give us this warning here saying, is an app downloaded from the internet, are you sure you want to open it? You've got to go and click open, and then it's going to hopefully go and start installing it. As you can see, we can now go and press install. So I'm going to close off this back menu here, and I'm going to go and click install, and then we need to go and enter my password, so I'll type that in now. And then it's going to go and install Java. As you can see, we're making progress now, and it shouldn't take too much longer hopefully, and I'll continue to wait. But yeah, like I said before, you can use Java for like a lot of things, and it's honestly just a useful tool to have installed, and hopefully you're finding this guide useful. If you have any issues, please ask them down below. And just like that, it says you have successfully installed Java 8 update 301. And it's going to say you'll be prompted when Java updates are available. Always install updates to get the latest performance. So that's literally it, guys. You can go and get Java just like that. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. Leave a like for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.